Welcome back to the Workshop Dojo. Now, the question that I have today is, how thin can a Festool Tracksaw actually cut? Now, I've always been a kind of MacGyver kind of character, you know, messing about with different things, using things for things they should not really be used for, or they weren't really designed for, because it just really depends what you have to hand, really, because, you know, we're not all walking around with everything. We don't all have workshops that have extensive tools that can deal with everything. Well, I certainly didn't used to, you know, I mean, I don't now, but still. Anyway, I just thought to myself, now, okay, this bit of expensive kit, I mean, this might be the only thing that I have with me at the time. And could I really use this to shave off thin slices like a planer and actually see how thin this actually really could cut? So we're going to test this out today to see how thin a Festool Tracksaw can actually cut. In conclusion, this is a freaking expensive piece of kit, you know, and to be honest with you, if you can afford to buy this, then you can probably afford to buy a flipping planer. Now, of course, this isn't what it's used to do, but it's nice to actually see how fine and how accurate this tracksaw actually is. I mean, I love this tracksaw. I mean, this tracksaw is probably, you know, the heart and soul of my tool collection, and you know, it can just do so many things. And you know, it's just nice to see that it can really cut thin cuts if it really has to. Anyway, that's me for today. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you on the next Workshop Dojo video. See you soon. Take care of yourself.